Ay, un víctima se cayó de un potero.
El muertito.
Échales acá, acá, acá. Welcome to Upgrade. I'm your host, Frank the Tank. Today, I bring a local cooker. Well, this is not just any ordinary cooker. It's gonna be a large 80 quarts, one of these pots. It's for a seafood boil steam kit. So this is a huge one from my actual last one, which I had I actually had like a 28 quarts, and now this is 3 times bigger than the last one almost, you know. So we're anticipating more people on this one, so we're gonna go ahead and put it together today and see what you get when you get something like this. Now this one comes with the heater and then the pot and the steam pot. So let's go ahead and set it up, see how large it gets. We got to put it together first, guys, so you got to take it apart, put it together. All right, so we're gonna set this back a little bit. We'll plug this sucker in here on the gas, temporary, but you need to move away from it. But for now, we're gonna go ahead and plug it in. Here's a regulator right here, off, on. It tells you right there, off and on. Let's go ahead and unhook this, take it out a little bit further up. We're gonna crank it up in a bit. You can see the electricity because it does have a battery. It comes with a battery built in, which I like about it. So there it goes. It's not turning on. Nope. I'm gonna get some matches and crank it up right now. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, once again, we're gonna try to turn it on my way or the highway. So try to go on here. Turn on the gas. Nope. Open gas. Oh, there it goes. There you go. Look at that, folks. That thing is burning. Yeah, it's burning. It's burning. Look at that. We're going to turn it down a little bit. So we control it here. We control the fire here. Super hot. This is all the way up. All the way down. Look at that. Flame is super hot, man. We're gonna need more gas for tomorrow, so we're gonna go to the factory. We're gonna go to a gas station later on, but right now I just wanted to demo it out here and see how strong it is. So let me turn it off, and we should call it a day. Off. Awesome, big old 2 flames coming out of here. No regulating, only regulation on this system itself. That's the only way you could control the actual flow on it. But if you guys saw it, this thing's gonna jam quick. It's gonna heat up really quick, this whole system. So let's put it together, see how it works, how it looks. All right, guys, this is how 80 quarts look like. This is a massive boil pot. But look at the inside, guys. It is massive. No, I like this lock. These are actually locks here that you could twist it out and nobody can pick it up. You could actually, you guys see it? It's locked. So you have to twist it and pull up. That's pretty much how it works. So we're gonna put this guy to use tomorrow, and we'll film some of it. But look at this massive compared to my hand. It's massive, big. I like it. I think we're gonna have a great shrimp boil tomorrow with it. We're gonna throw all sorts of things in here. We're gonna have a feast, I'm telling you guys. Overall, you know, this thing is for matches. If you guys don't know what it is, you could tie up a match right here and pretty much put it in there, and it should do the trick and turn it on. But if you guys see, I did have a lighter. It was actually easier. It didn't want to turn on with the actual battery. I could see the sparks in there, but I couldn't see it to turn on, and it smelled like too much gas, and I'm kind of afraid of those things, so I pretty much, you know, did it the old-fashioned way. But overall, it's a huge pot, guys. You are gonna need some gloves to get the stuff out. I don't even know how we're gonna one pot should do it for one, and then if the crowd's still hungry, throw the second one in. So hope you guys enjoy the show today, and we'll bring some more content tomorrow. All right, here we go, guys. We're gonna start first with the pot. We fill it up some halfways for the water because we're gonna put on the ingredients. We start throwing our liquid, the shrimp crab boil concentrated, and 1 stick of butter, and we start the program, folks.
Ahí va. No más. Ahí está. ¿Qué tal?
Keep going. Dale, tú dale.
Tiene que levantar más, ¿no?
Ah, ¿tú estás agarrando?
No, dale. Camarón con dedo.
Y hay hongos también. We put mushrooms on this one.
For the vegetarians or?
Yeah.
A ver, switch it and then we'll just shake the rest. Es mío. Ese sí, mira.
Ese sí.
Déjale agarro de acá abajo,
Okay.
Ya, ahora sí, ya.
Déjale agarro de acá abajo.
Bájalo.
Sí, déjale agarro de acá abajo.
Échalo los dos, falta. No, está igual.
Ay, un víctima se cayó de un cotero.
El muertito.
Échales acá. Oh, the sauce, it's okay.
Porque ahí cae una papa y te quema.
Hot potato.
Oh, there. Está bien.
Mira.
All right.